Hey friends, it's Sean McNamara from mindpossible.com, and in the following instructional video you're going to learn how to do telekinesis with the help of a friend or a partner. If any of you are involved with telepathy or ESP, this might interest you as well because of the function of two minds working on one project together. So one thing, this video is one I made specifically to go with the set of videos that go with my book Meditation X, so you're getting a peek into what's inside this book. It's similar to my first book, Defy Your Limits, the Telekinesis Training Method. It also has its own set of videos. And big surprise, starting tomorrow, Wednesday, May 2nd, these books, the Kindle versions, are absolutely free through Friday, May 4th, the end of this week, 2018. So if you don't have Kindle Reader already, you can download that app onto your phone very quickly, and then starting tomorrow, Wednesday, get these Kindle versions for free. Anyway, the video you're going to watch is instructional, so it's not about showing off, it's about explaining it step by step. So you'll need some patience because sometimes there's not a lot of movement, but there are things that I'm saying that are very important. So enjoy the video and have fun doing this with a friend. In this video, we'll see Sierra, my wife, sitting next to me, and we'll be doing telekinesis on the same object together. And here we're beginning with each one of us placing one of our hands on the glass directly just until the object begins to move, which should be very soon. So here we see the object moving a little bit, and so soon we'll be taking our hands away. There we are, we're pulling our hands away from the glass. And we're going to make sure that we still have a good connection with the object. We're waiting for that connection to build, for it to move. Okay, and we see it turn a little bit there after a few moments, and now we're removing our hands entirely from the situation, and now we're just going to use our intention and attention. You'll also see me doing a little bit of the breath work, which you've already learned. But one thing that's important here is this will require a little more time than usual to get the object to move, because now we're adding the extra dimension of another person, and so somehow we need to negotiate this situation that two different people are sending their intention and their energy is flowing. And how do they affect each other? Okay, now we see the object doing some movement. And it paused there, but now it's moving again. And now we really get a great response as it turns back in the opposite direction. And you should know that Sierra and I did not choose a particular direction, and we didn't even discuss which part of the object either one of us would be focusing on. So we sat down next to each other without any specific intention except for it to move. And getting some really nice responses here toward the end. And so as we get to the end of this video, this will be repeated in high speed, and this will make the motion a lot more obvious, just like in the other videos.